In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control animation speed on Canva, whether you're creating a dynamic presentation, a social media post, or simply want to add a bit of flair to your design. Mastering the animation speed can make a big difference in how your project is perceived. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you achieve the desired effect effortlessly. First, you'll want to access your Canva design and locate the element you want to animate, which could be text, an image, or any other design component. Click on the text or element to select it. You'll notice a toolbar popping up at the top of the Canva interface, which gives you various options to modify and enhance your selection. Next, look for the Animate button in the toolbar. It's usually represented by a small icon of moving lines symbolizing animation. Clicking on this button will take you to a new panel where you'll see a variety of animation options. This is where all the fun begins, as you can choose from several animation styles like fade, pan, bounce, and many more. This gives your design an engaging, lively touch. Once you've clicked on animate, take some time to explore the different animation styles available. Hover over each style to see a preview of how it would look within your design. This feature allows you to visualize and compare different animations before making a decision. Whether you want a subtle fade or a dramatic zoom, this step helps you to choose the right animation that best fits your project's mood. With your preferred animation style selected, the next step is to focus on the animation speed. Right below the animation options, you'll find a speed slider. This slider allows you to adjust how quickly or slowly the animation plays out. For more dynamic, energetic projects, you might want a faster speed. Conversely, for something more relaxed and tranquil, a slower speed might be more appropriate. You can drag the slider to the left for a slower animation, or to the right to make it faster. It's all about finding the perfect balance that complements your design and keeps your audience engaged. Finally, once you're satisfied with your animation and speed settings, make sure to play it back in its entirety to see how it integrates with the rest of your design. This helps you to ensure everything flows smoothly and looks just the way you envisioned. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to control animation speed on Canva. By following these steps, you'll enhance your designs, making them more compelling and tailored to your audience's needs. This technique is perfect for adding a professional and polished touch to your visual content. Don't hesitate to experiment with different speeds and styles to discover what works best for your creativity and project goals. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.